Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, staying safe at your home, not going outside, not roaming outside. So today's video is regarding a review of a product from L'Oreal. This is a Revitalift. You must have heard about this product क्योंकि आजकल काफ़ी फेमस हो रहा है ये because everybody is using it and everybody wants to know whether it is worth the hype or not. So I thought let's give it a try. मैंने इसको मंगवाया था काफ़ी दिन हो गए. It's like been more than a month and मैं तब से इसको यूज़ कर रही हूँ डेली अपने स्किन केयर में. एंड मैं इसको सुबह एक बार यूज़ करती हूँ, रात में भी एक बार यूज़ करती हूँ. तो आई थॉट कि पहले अच्छे से यूज़ कर लेती हूँ, फिर मुझे एक आइडिया हो जाएगा कि ये वैसे तो लाइक टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट लाइक द इंग्रेडिएंट विच वी हैव इन दिस product, the serum is hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is supposed to give you a result instantly because what it does is it act as a humectant and it holds that moisturization, that water, to give you proper hydration throughout the day. So as soon as you will use this product, you should see the difference instantly in your skin. But anyways, I just wanted to check like do we do have other ingredients as well in this product. So how I have a combination skin. I'm not towards that much sensitive skin. So but I thought of give it a try to use it properly to have an idea whether it will suit every skin type or not. Even I tried it on my family members as well to see whether it is going on their skin or not. So now as I have used it properly, like I have used it totally, I have just emptied it. So मैंने सोचा कि now I'm ready to give it a give the proper review, what my personal thoughts about this product. So first start with the packaging. So yes, this is a 15 ml bottle. This is a glass bottle, and it do comes in a 30 ml packaging as well. So this 15 ml packaging cost of 4.99, and the bigger one which is 30 ml, it cost for 999. So दोनों ही काफ़ी budget friendly choices हैं. But first I will recommend, if you want to try this out, go with the smaller one. So by this you will be able to figure out whether you like it or not, it goes with your skin or not. If you like it, then you can go for the bigger size as well. That's why I tried the smaller one first, and yeah, I do tend to like it, so I will surely going to repurchase it, maybe the bigger size this time. Talking about the texture of the product, it is a very lightweight serum. It is not greasy on your skin, and after applying the serum, you have to apply your moisturizer, whatever moisturizer you are using. So my experience with this product is from when I have started using this product. पहले क्या होता था, जब मैं स्किन केयर करती थी, मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ करती थी, तो बाय द टाइम मिड डे आफ्टर लंच टाइम एंड दिस skin started feeling very dehydrated because especially in this summer days, skin tend to get dehydrated very easily and very soon. So जब से मैंने ये particular product यूज़ करना शुरू किया है, तब से I can see the difference. Like once I'm applying it in the morning, I don't feel dehydration on my face. So it's very good product to provide you hydration throughout the day. And yes, I do tend to apply it on night as well, to give that because that's very obvious. Nowadays we all are using AC, and AC used to suck hydration from your body, and if you are applying this serum at night as well, it will provide you that hydration throughout the night as well. It will keep your skin very fresh, glowing, and supple when you will woke up in the morning. Talking about what else it does, talking about the giving the glow to your skin, this is very obvious. Once your skin will be plumbed, hydrated, it will automatically start glowing. But talking about what it does to the if you have pimple, acne marks, so I don't think it do anything with them, because I do have some marks on my cheek. I don't think so it has worked anything for those marks. So if you are looking for a serum which can provide hydration to your skin, then I will definitely recommend this to you. Go for it, try it for yourself. It will definitely provide you that hydration which you are looking for. It's a very reasonable priced product, and do contain very good ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, which are very good for our skin. And hyaluronic acid is loved by all the dermatologists in the world because of its tendency to hold water 1,000 times its own weight, which is a very awesome thing. And one more thing is, हमारे खुद की स्किन भी हाइलुरोनिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस करती है, बट विद टाइम जैसे जैसे हम ग्रो करते हैं, एज बढ़ती जाती है, देन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ हाइलुरोनिक एसिड कम होती जाती है. तो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू यूज़ सम एक्सटर्नल प्रोडक्ट टू गिव दैट हाइड्रेशन बूस्ट टू आवर skin. So you can definitely go for these kind of products, and I will definitely recommend you this L'Oreal's Revitalift serum. Go for it, try it for yourself, and let me know what you think about it. If you like this review, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. We'll meet next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, lots of love.